So I've been working a lot with AI lately, specifically that ChatGPT, and it's been quite interesting for me to see how far we can go with this technology and how much more truth and virtual truth cross paths and why this is important to building the trust community. So the trust community is identified by the members who are more interested in having a conversation with a real person than having a meme shoved in their face with a quote from a dead person by someone who wasn't even alive when they said that quote. Trust community speaks to real people and is evidenced by the real people speaking with real lips, real bodies, doing the work the community requires. And I do that because I'm actually touching myself, because there are things on the web right now that are so real that you don't know what is real versus what is fake. And this is not just scary, but to me, it brings in a different level and a different dimension on how we create our communities. Now that we're moving into that AI technology at the speed of light, it's no longer just a movie about a matrix. We're actually living it. And not knowing real from fake, who's to say that the oceans are full of plastic when you can create an ocean that is plastic free and debunk the myth with a deep fake that is so real that you won't even know the difference, and then give you a headset to wear that corroborates your truth when you walk into a virtual plastic-free ocean. I'm not here to debate AI or virtual AI or real people versus virtual people or things or objects or even the Matrix. My goal here is to share how I'm building the trust community for my clients and what I've been using to do this, and why I believe the trust community will become one of the most sought after web-based reality networks that people want to create. Now, I'm not going into this Web3 or Web2 or this versus that, none of that. I'm only talking about the trust community. So let me make a disclaimer here that this is not for everyone, nor should it be. This is only and specifically for those people who resonate with the message that I'm sharing. I'm not a fan of Telegram, and I'm not a fan of Discord or fake book groups, and I won't be discussing these platforms as a way of building the trust community. My name is Nicole Jolie, and I've been online since 2004 when I started learning about Google AdWords. And since that time, I've built hundreds of messenger apps using fake book funnels and ManyChat and WordPress and websites and landing pages, sales funnels, media funnels, email autoresponder funnels, you name it, funnels, all that, and much more. And I'm no longer doing that. And here's the reason why. I'm going to share with you in the next few videos why I've switched to using one simple, very, I think, in tune with the way people think platform. It's a very elegant platform to me, and it's allowed my clients to build the trust community for their brand. And I'm hoping that with these videos, you will have an aha moment where you will build the trust community for your brand. So I'll take you behind the scenes and share some ideas that may help you to build your own trust community. And I'll also be sharing the links so that you can get a free trial to the platform. And I will also share some other links to some of the things that I'm working on right now. And I'm doing this for two reasons. Number one, I'm an ardent supporter of people, especially women, who don't back down to their commitments or to their vision. And even if they publicly fail or lose traction, they get up again and they make it better, which is what this platform has successfully done time and again. And number two, I want to become the number one affiliate for this platform and help others to build their trust communities when they use my link to purchase. And my commitment and intention in these videos is to give that special community leader an idea for their aha moment in this video and in the following videos. So let's get started with the first part of why I chose this platform.